Hey everybody, what's up? Mikey Dread here, back with another fingerboard video. Today we're going to be building a GOO fingerboard. I've been waiting for this to come in. If you've seen my social media, I've posted some pictures. Here it is. It's the SEX SELLS board. It is one of their fat chunky shapes. It's 34.5 millimeters from GOO Fingerboards. It's got a beautiful back ply here. Nice feathering in the blue. And it's got a little bit of a steep nose. It's real blocky shaped. I really like these serrations that the board has right here. Maybe good for like dark slides or something. Helping the board give me something to lock in. But that's this board. SEX SELLS 34.5 millimeter. And they sent it over with some grip tape. I've also got a little bit wider rip tape I'm going to go ahead and assemble it up with. And then to go with this, we got a new package today. Package came in from Dynamic Fingerboards, and the last board I set up was the Risen fingerboard, and it was set up with some BRTs. I love my Black River trucks, but I wanted to give something a little bit different try and see what I like. I don't think you can really go wrong with Dynamics or Black Rivers, but let's see what they sent us here. Okay, so in the box, what do we get? We got our Dynamic trucks. Nice little picture in the background. I don't know, it looks like guys doing maybe like a kickflip crook or something. They have a lowered Kingpin design. It's a reverse Kingpin, so it's going to be screw on top, and it should give it a lower profile, single axle. They're all black to go with some all black Dynamic fingerboard wheels. These are 70 on the durometer, 70D, and they're the standard shape. This wheel's a little bit more symmetrical looking, a little bit more balanced. And it looks like it's a dual bearing wheel. So yeah, this is a dual bearing wheel, I believe. I hope I'm not wrong, but I made sure, since I had Dynamic trucks, I got the Dynamic wheels, because I know some of the dual bearing wheels don't work as well with some of the single bearing trucks in regard, flip flop back and forth. Okay, that being said, let's go ahead and see what else we got. Some stickers. We know I love stickers. That didn't come from there. That came with my curb, which we'll be showing off as well. There's the Dynamic stickers that I got. We're definitely gonna stick those back on our John Cowart Black River ramp. Love that thing. Well, let's see what this thing looks like coming together. We're gonna open the trucks. I love it when trucks come pre-assembled. One of my favorite things. Absolutely, pre-assembled trucks. More people need to be doing this. If you want to disassemble it to upgrade the tuning, that's a whole nother animal. All right, well, that wasn't a very satisfying feel. Let's see what we can't get into. It took me a little while to build my first one. The first board I put together was the close-up. That was the least expensive of the setups that I had coming in, so I figured I'd try with that one first. And that one went pretty well. It didn't come with as many screws as I needed, but luckily I have like 100 tech decks. So there we go. These look great, man. All right, well, there's the trucks. We've got our black trucks. We've got our little black wheels. I'll leave them in for now, because first we're going to attach the trucks to the board. It's the first step. I guess I called the first video a how-to, and I didn't really talk much about it. So here it is. Just dump it out. I guess the advantage here is that the screw that they use for the Kingpin is probably the same as the screws that you use to attach the board to it. So before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and pre-poke in my design. Does it poke through? No, it doesn't. We use the truck. Bingo. That way I can see where the holes are. These are real wear graphics. And so yeah, there we go. We can see through now. Oh, boom. Let's get these in. First screw. Oh wow, that fits beautifully flush. Look at that craftsmanship. Well done, Goo. Well done. All right. These trucks feel nice too. I can't wait to skate this thing. do have some board rails coming in the mail from Chems. They're not here yet, so this board won't be set up with that yet. But the Chems rails will be going on it to protect that graphic. This will be the first board I put the rails on, and then I'll use this to determine if I want to put the rails on the Risen deck or not. I've got enough coming for it. There we go. Boom, first truck in. That was easy. Looks really good. Okay, nice. Let's keep it going. What kind of fingerboards do you guys ride out there? Let me know in the comments below. I appreciate everybody supporting the channel. Bowling Science here. If you've been here before, you know Bowling Science. We used to just do bowling videos. And since the world has kind of had to adapt, we've adapted here as well at Bowling Science. Been doing a lot of video game streaming. And I wanted to kind of showcase and invest in one of my other hobbies, which is fingerboarding. Got started tech decking when tech decks were first a thing. In the 90s, and then been into fingerboarding as an adult for 8 or 10 years. Never really had the money to invest in a nicer setup. I've had a few of the Chinese $20 wooden setups from Amazon, but now that I'm in a position to, and I wanted to create some content for you all, we got ourselves a few different setups, and I'm excited for my first Goo. Hear nothing but good things about Goo. So, let's see here with our reverse Kingpin style trucks as well. Wanted to do all black out since the graphic is mostly black. Felt that might do it justice. All right. That guy's tight. I like it. What do y'all think? That thing looks really nice. All right, so let's go ahead and get these wheels on. Alright, we also got another, stay tuned, we got another thing to unbox for you. I got a surprise. We're gonna bust that out, see if we can't get a few tricks here. Alright. That's really great. Roll great. Oh wow. Turns super nice. Love those bushings. Beautiful job, guys. Bingo. So we're gonna leave that there. our finished product, y'all. First pop. Oh my, super grip. Great. Wonderful. Those are awesome. Alright, now that we've got that set up, we've got our Sex Sells board set up from Goo. We've got our Risen fingerboard set up. And then we've also got our close-up. Let's go ahead and check out. I'm going to save these stickers for later. Definitely stick those dynamic stickers on my ramp. But let's go ahead and check out what else came in the mail today. And where are you at? Here it is. I got another thing in from Flatface. Love Flatface. They've treated me really well as I've made my way into the fingerboard scene with you guys. I appreciate everybody hanging out with me. If you like the YouTube videos, let me know in a comment below. Like the stream, subscribe. But what we have here, let me go ahead and pull it out. We got this big old package here, right? We're going to open it up. Let's see what's in here. There it is. Klotz Block. This is a pink smoothie curb. Love this thing. It's really long. If you see, let's see. It was bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's actually 2 fingerboards. 2 full fingerboards and a little bit, if you can see that there. So that's actually a pretty good size. I'm excited. Let's get some shredding on that thing and let's see if we can catch a few clips with the new setup. Very excited. Alright, we're gonna hack our ramp here before we get started. I've got a little piece of grip tape here that I accidentally tore up before, so I am going to cut it up and let's see if we can't put some feet on this thing. Alright, so I'm going to make some nice wide feet. Here we go. First block on. I just want to make sure it doesn't skate around on us. Want our obstacles. I'm really big on my obstacles staying put. Nice cheap little hack you can do if you have any obstacles that are sticking on you or not sticking, sliding around when you need them to stick. You got some of them little scraps of fingerboard foam tape laying around. There you go. That thing ain't going nowhere now. So let's check it out. We've got our new setup from Goo. Sex Sells, Goo 34.5mm. Really cool shape. Really squared off. It's got a little sawtooth serration down here at the bottom. And got our dynamic dual bearing wheels. Dynamic trucks. This thing shreds. Oh. See if we can slap you.